Hey everyone, in this video we will look at the Tablix visual in Power BI and when we need to use a Tablix visual. So I've got this Power BI file open here with me and I'll upload this file onto GitHub so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. So let's start. So I've got all these visuals which are not like, these are different visuals, but let's say why do we need a Tablix visual? So let's say you want to display individual values and look at the numbers. None of these values will give you like exact numbers that you can look at the moment. Or let's say you want to compare values, or you want to look at precise values, for example. Or you might want to look at let's say more than two measures, and there's not any visual available which will give us more than two measures in the same visual. And let's say I also want to, for example, look at the summary and the detailed data in the same visual. I think Tablix is probably the best visual for that. So let's start. I'll just create another page here and let me just copy one of the visuals. So I'll just grab this, copy this, or let's just convert this to a Tablix. So I'll just go and click table, and you can see now that I'll just put this into focus mode. So it's giving me the total, so it's giving me the individual values as well as the totals. And so that's and I can also add in more so I can add in more amounts. And so on and so forth. So let's just go down and see if we can add more measures. So Tablix is a really good visual if you want to see more than one measure, or you want to see the detailed as well as the summary values, you want to see precise values, you want to see numbers. So that's when you decide to go. In this case, I've sort of added so much data here that it's almost become like a data dump, which is, I guess, all right in certain scenarios. But you might want to use a Tablix if you want to look at some precise values or numbers, or you're using more than one measure. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.